Hey everyone, happy Monday. Hopefully it's a happy Monday for you. So this week is week 4 of the fall wardrobe style challenge. And this week I decided, because it's getting to be that time of the year, I picked scarves. And I have plenty of them, so I can show you all different ways to use your scarves. And so that is going to be the feature of the week. And today I chose one of my oversized, lightweight scarves to use as an accessory to this awesome jacket that I got at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. And I love it. And I feel a little matrixy, like I could do the whole kind of thing. But anyway, so this week I'm planning on standing for most of these videos because I'm going to be showing you how to style different scarves. So I'm going to need to be able to move around and show you what to do. So today is a totally basic, seriously basic scarf tying. And it sometimes gets confused for some people because they'll be like, it just isn't even, it isn't working out the way that I wanted it to, I'm not seeing certain parts. So I'm gonna just do something really basic, and we'll get into, crazier scarf tying later in the week. I mean, I don't know how crazy it can be, but I can show you some stuff. So anyway, so this is very basic. And as you can see, it is really chilly here today in Andover, and so I definitely love this scarf for it, because I've been sitting and going out and doing all the things that I need to do, and I've been wrapped up nice and tight. So as I said, it's an oversized scarf, lots of cool things, and I snuck some camo in, of course, because that's just me. So when you have an oversized scarf like this, you really just want to grab one end and pull it all together here like this. So you'll still see parts of the scarf. It doesn't have to be tight, it doesn't have to be loose, but you start off at one end and just kind of, create a line with it. Now here's the thing that a lot of people don't know about scarf tying and what gets them all mixed up and not wanting to wear scarves. In order to get a great tie, you need to start with one end shorter than the other. So what you're going to do is you're going to make it a lot shorter. See, this one's almost to the ground. Hello. So what that does is when you wrap a scarf around, it evens it out. You may want it to be even, you may not want it to be even, but that is how you get it to be even. If you are, someone who really needs to have their stuff even, I totally understand that. And, more power to you. Doesn't bother me, so I'm all good with it. So yeah, let me show you it again. So you take one end and you make a line with it, shorter side, so maybe like to your waist, and then you can lightly pull it around. You can put the ends, one up on the ends, right? Very cute with just this like hanging down. You can do both, which is also very cute, especially for some really cute like sweaters and stuff. So you can even bundle it tighter to your neck. I love this style, especially if you want to put it under like a jacket and have it like kind of sticking out of the jacket like this. Super cute, right? So that is the really, really, really basic understanding of tying a scarf so that you don't have, very uneven parts to it. So I hope that was cool. I hope that helps. I know it's a lot of times when I had my shop, people would come in and, I don't wear scarves. I don't know how to tie them. So I hope this week will be a great help to you guys, and you're going to want to get more scarves, because they're fun, they're great accessories. See, I've got, and I have tons of scarves like this that have different colors, patterns, all that kind of stuff, and I will show them to you. Also gonna do like blanket scarves, gonna do, I don't know, circular scarves, all that kind of stuff. I have tons of like winter, like late fall winter ones too that I want to show you. So we'll be doing all sorts of things with them. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, don't worry. Please put them in the comments or DM me, and I can talk with you a little bit more about them. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to showing you all my scarves, guys. Have a good week. Bye.